Today's video is all about Christmas trends. I'm going to take you with me to Atlanta Market and so you can see the trends straight from the showrooms. Hey friends, it's Amber with Amber Marie and Company. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm up here working, getting ready for Christmas. I'm going to be showing some of our ribbons. Stick around until the end. I'm going to show you how Amber Marie and Company is going to incorporate a lot of these trends. I want you to see my desk. It's messy. It's probably the first thing you guys all notice, and you probably think, why don't you clean it up for this video? Because I'm going to show you some of this, and it is organized chaos. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Follow along today. Question of the video is, what is your favorite trend? I'm going to show you the trends. I want you to tell me what your favorite trend is and what trend you are going to do in your home. So 2 questions you have to answer. What's your favorite trend? And then what trend are you going to do in your home? Are you ready? All right, let's get to it. I can tell you these trends for certain because I have seen them at 3 markets now. Every year when Mom and I do shopping at Market for Christmas, we curate our own collection. Very rarely do we just walk into a showroom and just say, I'm gonna buy all of this, because every showroom has something a little bit different, and we want to curate a collection of the absolute best, or what we feel like is the best. We've been shopping for Christmas for our stores for years and years. I can't say how many years Mom has been shopping, but for me personally, since I was 12, so that's 30 plus years of experience in Christmas collection curation. You will start noticing the trends when you see the same style of tree over and over. Let's take a quick peek of what we chose for Christmas this year. One thing I love in several showrooms, they'll put together a color card for the whole entire tree. And what's really cool about that is you see their whole inspiration for the tree, and blue and gold has been popular for years, continues to be really strong again this year for Christmas tree themes, but really a lot of celestial. So we're seeing a lot of stars, a lot of moons. So that kind of a moody blue, not just a chinoiserie or chinois, as I like to say. So there you go, another really cool trend that we're seeing. Let's check it out. Another huge trend I'm seeing on a lot of trees this year would be the velvet ornament. So this texture of velvet in the trees adds just another depth of color and dimension. It's gorgeous. Adding figurines to the tree, also a huge trend, seeing that a lot. But this blue and gold is just absolutely stunning. This beautiful theme is one that we're going to have here at Amber Marie and Company this year. What I like about this theme is you can mix a lot of old with new, and that's this really pretty light green natural tree with just a hint of sparkle. Notice all the various shapes on the tree too. So you have some really cool geometric ornaments mixed with the nativity, mixed with a real traditional drop, paper ornaments, glittering ornaments, and look at that tree topper. Isn't that gorgeous? It's important when looking at Christmas trends to see what items or figurines that are stuck inside the trees. Something like this, like these big beautiful angel wings, and it kind of makes the heart really, really pretty and unusual. So when we start shopping for Christmas, we're looking for those unusual items in the colors and the trends. And we're seeing a lot of this beautiful emerald again. So you can mix emerald with gold and then add some touches of black just to make it just a smidge more sophisticated. And then of course, bring in those rhinestones and really give it a sparkle. So emerald green, still a huge trend for sure. This showroom hangs ribbons by each theme, and it just is a great way to see and showcase the ribbons that you might use on this tree. And they hang them down here. Somebody like me comes in as a designer, and I want to feel the ribbon, the texture, I want to feel the wire, and know what kind of a bow it's going to make, because that's really important. The gauge of wire, how it sparkles, how it bends, how it folds, all of that goes into every single buying decision. Look at that trim. Oof. Another huge trend that we're seeing here is bright colors coming back. So this bright blue, bright green, all of that fun candy colors, they're bringing it back, just reinventing it and doing some new looks. Adding gingerbread to it, lots of pink candy cane still. So if you are a pink, pastel, or bright fan, you will see that this is still a trend and it's very, very strong. Also, these beautiful colored glass ornaments. You've seen that a lot in the last few years, and it's also very strong still. So this crystal frost theme is absolutely stunning and beautiful. A new way to kind of bring that look into a fresh new era is by adding some of this really pretty green and doing a crystal frost tree. So behind me, this tree is filled with some different variations and shades of green, along with pine cones, some white, lots of fun textures, and I see this trend in several showrooms. A lot of times at market, we can tell what the trends are because that's usually what they have in the front of the showroom. So when you first walk in and you see and you're wowed by a big, beautiful tree, you know that's going to be a hot trend because that's what the designers have chosen. And they know that because they are in the industry. They see the trends, they see the colors. It's so hard to pick which tree you're going to want. But I'll tell you, one trend, definitely lots of lights. Manufacturers are just working so hard to make more trees with more lights and more features. So not just lights and adding more lights to the trees, but also making sure that they have a twinkle or a sparkle effect. So that's one huge trend. As I walk through all the showrooms, I'm seeing lots of lights, additional lights and trees, lots of colored lights coming in as well, but all of the twinkle and the sparkle and the movement, that's what people are really gravitating towards. Christmas is magical. Shopping for Christmas is also magical, and there's no better place to see Christmas magic than inside Mark Roberts. Let's take a look and see some of Mark Roberts' trends this year. Gingerbread theme is also huge, seeing a lot of gingerbread throughout market, and that's going to be very strong for Christmas this year. You can never go wrong with a beautiful gold sparkling tree. So this tree behind me sparkles and shines so pretty, and one thing that they have done on this tree is really limited the ribbon. So there's not a lot of ribbon used, but you can see that they really hung every single ornament way out on the very edges of the branches and kind of made it really wispy and airy. So this is really a pretty tree, really well done. Not a lot of ribbon, not a lot of picks, but just draped very finely with ornaments and different garlands. So this is one version of putting red and blue and green together. There's a lot of different variations and ways to do this. So take a look at this. They have, again, to make the tree interesting, added these huge circle orbs that sparkle, and they filled them with ornaments. And you guys might recognize this from last year. This was a huge seller for Amber Marine Company. Beautiful on a mantle. You can put it above your mantle on a fireplace. Looks beautiful running down the middle of a table. That's also really, really gorgeous. You want to make sure you snag one of those, and that is up front here in this showroom, and that means it's a hot trend. And again, like I said, on a mantle because it's thin enough and it makes a huge statement piece, or down the middle of a table, on a coffee table, just absolutely stunning. Another huge trend that we're seeing for this year in Christmas is all of the natural look. And I love it because it's very natural, it's very old school Christmas, and it's just the traditional old style. And I think it's making a huge comeback right now, especially all the years of white, ice, crystal. You're still seeing that, but you're also seeing really strong colors and just the old traditional, real natural with the reds and the berries, mixing some florals in. A really huge trend that we're still seeing in home decor is the addition of black. You can see black used in this tree, and it looks absolutely fabulous, mixed in with a little red, Little black, little greenery, really, really pretty. Ribbon trends. This store is full of the finest ribbon collection, and you know we sell a ton of it at Amber Marine Company. Let's go in and take a quick peek of some of the ribbon trends for Christmas this year. Let's talk about ribbon, one of my favorite things to talk about for Christmas. And we, of course, saw some trees done with 0 ribbons and 0 picks, literally just letting the ornaments showcase on the tree. We picked out lots of beautiful ribbons, and I just want to showcase a few of those. Changing your ribbon changes everything, and that is why we bring so many ribbon collections to Amber Marine Company every year. Something that we can do to just change up just even slightly, and that gives your tree a whole new presentation. So consider if you have purchased all of the gold and white ornaments that you could possibly purchase, because for the longest time you didn't want to do color in your tree, you just wanted to do gold, or you wanted to do black and white check, right? That's fine. Don't stress out and think you have to repurchase everything. You don't. I promise you, you just find a ribbon that has that common color that you already have, like the black if you have black and white ornaments, or the gold if you have all gold and white, and then incorporate just a few punches of a new color, and then incorporate that ribbon, and I promise you, your tree will take on a whole new look. Let's talk about doing a traditional tree, and then you're wanting to maybe incorporate some black colors. So this year, there's a really popular ribbon out like this. It's a really pretty red and green. And then they just incorporated just a smidgen touch of black in there, which you can kind of see that. So if you've traditionally done a darker green, which like we have here, or maybe a red, or maybe you've done a green and black tree, or a black and gold tree, and this is the year where you want to add some new pops of color, that's what you can do by taking your traditional colors you've already done, which could be this green and black here, and then you bring in a ribbon with the red that marries the green, the black, the gold, and then you add in that little pop of red there, and that makes all the difference. So that's where you can take a tree that you have done, you have the ribbon, you have all the ornaments, and now you just want to add something in to kind of tie that in. That's where you come in with those plaids, and you can do that. Can you see that? I don't know if this is going to focus on it. There we go. He's a little bee, and how cute is that to add? The 1-inch ribbon is huge, very, very popular. This is a fun way to add in some black as well. So you have that really pretty red, and maybe you have some green and gold, and you're just gonna add that in to your other ribbons that you already had. So super easy. You just need to find that really pretty plaid that incorporates all of those colors, and then you can add a little punch of black in to your tree. Another thing at Amber Marine Company, we don't like boring ribbon. Remember, our motto is it's not done until it's overdone, and that includes our ribbon too. So we're gonna get lots of ribbons that have jewels and sparkles, and we wanna bring those ribbons that you're not gonna find anywhere else. But you can take a really pretty pearl and a really pretty white ribbon, put those together, and then bring in that pop of blue. Or if you wanna find some really pretty sage ribbon, you can tie in that pop of sage too. Don't forget trimming your tree with these really pretty 1-inch. So look at this, all the jewels, all of the sparkle on this pretty ribbon right here. Is that not just so pretty? And it just adds a nice little punch. We're seeing lots of these little 1-inch colors coming in. Is that not so pretty? And perhaps my favorite theme is always color. We talked about color being a big theme, and you can add punches of color to what you already have existing just by adding one color of an ornament, right? So if you have done a gold and white tree and now you're wanting to incorporate hot pink or lime green, you can do that with just picking a really pretty ribbon like this and just saying, okay, what 2 colors of this ribbon do I really want to pull out and make my tree really sparkle? Look at that, guys. Is that not just gorgeous? We have selected some really pretty ribbon for one of our garden themed trees this year. And am I going to put all of this on the tree? Maybe not all on the tree, but in the room, I'm going to use different ribbons for different things. Like maybe this is going to go on the tree mixed with, you know, something here, or this possibly, but then I'm going to possibly use this on a wreath or on my garland. So looking at adding ribbon in families too, that's huge, where all your ribbon doesn't exactly have to match, but if they're in the same family in the room, it's just really going to coordinate really well, I think, with whatever you do. So how pretty are these ribbon selections that we have chosen for this year? talking about how ribbon can change anything. If you've traditionally done a blue tree or blue and gold, maybe this year think about adding just this little punch of orange. You can take a little punch of orange or a little punch of copper and really easily add it in with the ribbon, or do something like this. Look at that, with all that embroidery. Maybe you're wanting to incorporate just a little bit of black in your tree. This is a really fun ribbon to do that with. Just that really cute bee. We call it the queen bee ribbon, but it's always one of my favorites. It's just like, it's royal and just awesome. All right, so I've talked about Christmas trends that I've seen at market. I showed you a few ribbons that we're doing this year at Amber Marie & Company. I hope that I have given you inspiration and that you can see and follow all of the trends for this Christmas season. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, let me know what's your favorite trend that you're seeing, and I would like to know what trend you are doing on your tree. What are you going to do different, and what are you incorporating different, and how are you building on the theme, the ornaments that you already have, but maybe just making a few changes just to tweak just slightly and come up with a whole new theme. A lot of showrooms were adding just a touch of blue. So they're taking the traditional red and green, doing a red and green tree, and then just figuring out a way to incorporate a little touch of blue. Huge. I saw that in several trees, and that is something that we're going to do also. Blue and white is always a huge selling theme for us, and we're still seeing blue, but what people are doing and what showrooms are doing is, again, they're reimagining how to use that blue in a whole new way, and it just looks magical. Woodland is still a very strong theme with all of the deep greens, all the natural browns, huge theme, because you can do that in so many different ways. With woodland, you can add frost and bring it crystally and make it really beautiful, or you can go deeper into the coppers and the browns and make it more lodgy, kind of that Ralph Lauren feel a little bit. That's it, friends. That is our trends video for this year. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to leave that comment for us. And then, of course, all of our products are going to be live on Amber Marie & Company website, and they are starting to arrive right now. So get ready. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. We have Amber Marie Manor that we're going to be decorating this year, and we want you to follow along. If you don't know what Amber Marie Manor is, it's our 100-year-old home that we bought. Turns 100 years old this year, and we're going to deck it out for Christmas. So mark your calendars. That's going to be coming really, really soon. Thanks for watching, friends. We appreciate your love so much, and leave us a comment and let us know what you think.